Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zinhle. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Entertainment blogger Mr. Kaula is back more than ever, releasing celebrities gagas after his Twitter account was terminated a few months ago after he had violated Lulu Cafe's privacy and posted his Mapona Pona video, you guys. So the blogger moved to YouTube, you guys, and his channel is growing minute by minute. And today he dropped a huge bombshell that AKA had TLOF TLOF with Pearl Thusi back when he was still dating her best friend DJ Zinhle. In his own words, Musa said, and did not allege, he said that AKA was sleeping with Pearl Thusi while he was still dating DJ Zinhle. Please watch the rest of the video here, guys.
Wearing this dress, okay? Moving on to the less than smart woman, which is not an Akai. So she decided it was a good idea to get matching tattoos with AKA, okay? I don't know what this means, but I don't think it's a good idea. No one gets matching tattoos. The thing should have been left in the 1960s. But then she thought it's a good idea, with AK having dated everyone and slept with Pearl Thusi while she was dating DJ Zinhle. It's a whole lot of mess, but then she thought it's a good idea. There's one thing that I think that hasn't been spoken enough about AKA and his, how do you do this?